Welcome back everyone to another App Tech Guru tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and use green screen on the Filmora Video Editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Filmora on your device and you can use the Import tab to add any of your desired clips. Now I'm going to use some green screen footage from the stock media section. Here you will find various different green screens with different colors of green. Now within this clip, we can use the green part of the cell phone to turn it into a transparent background and add whatever clip or image that we want. So in order to do this, click on the clip and then from the video tab, click on AI tools at the top right. You will now see the chroma key option. Now, depending upon most of the green profiles, when you click on this, the green color will be removed automatically. However, if it doesn't completely remove, then you can also play around with the offset and the tolerance. Make sure that the green color has completely disappeared, and instead of green, you can now see a full black color. Once that is the case, you can now add your desired clip, video, or picture right away. Now I'm going to add this Statue of Liberty within this phone. Simply drag and drop the clip within the timeline and make sure to put it underneath the layer of the first video. As soon as you do this, this will now appear inside of the cell phone. Now let's check the preview from the beginning, and you can now see within the clip that the new footage is now appearing inside of the cell phone. You can make your desired changes to the layer that appears inside of the cell phone. And that is how you can use the chroma key feature and work with green screen on the Wondershare Filmora app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.